Hello, this is a question, this is an official question, and we would learn to first of all simplify the question and then answer the question properly. Here the question says, the figure here shows a portion of a road map on which the measures of certain angles are indicated. Here we have angles A, B, C in this triangle, and in this triangle also we have angles A, B, C. That means in a way we can say that a triangle PQT is similar to triangle TRS. Because if the two triangles have same angles, the two triangles are called the similar triangles. And in similar triangle, the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. I don't know whether it's useful here, but it's just to reiterate here. If all the lines shown are straight and intersect is shown, is road PQ parallel to road RS? We have to find out whether this road PQ is parallel to road RS or not. Now, let's hypothetically assume that these two are parallel. If these two are parallel, in that case, this angle, which is angle C, should be equal to this angle, which is corresponding angle. That means this should also be equal to C. That means, hypothetically, if these two lines are equal, then this whole angle, which is 180 degrees, should be equal to C plus C. That means C should be equal to 90 degrees, which means if these two lines are parallel, then C should be equal to 90 degrees. So eventually, since the question is, are these two lines parallel? We can also rephrase it, is C equal to 90 degrees? Because for them to be parallel, this should be equal to 2C, which is 180. Therefore, C should be 90 degrees. So that's a question that we need to answer in the form of either yes or no. We could also rephrase it likewise and say that is A plus B is equal to 90 degrees as well. Why? Because we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So if we have to find whether C is 90 or not, then the question is same as, is A plus B equal to 90 degrees or not? Now let's look at the statements. The first statement says B is equal to 2A, but there is no measure of any angle. Therefore, we can comfortably say that this statement alone is not sufficient to answer the question. Now let's look at the second statement, which says C is equal to 3A. Once again, we have the relationship between angle A and C, but B is absent. At the same time, we don't know the measure of any angle. Therefore, we can say that this statement alone as well is not sufficient. This was quite easy to understand till this step. So we can cancel out option A, B and D. The next step would be to combine the two statements. Now, after combining the two statements, we know B is equal to 2A, C is equal to 3A. And we also know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees because these three angles are the angles in a triangle. Now we can quickly substitute the values of B and C in terms of A and find out the value of angle A here. Angle A remains A, B becomes equal to 2A, C becomes equal to 3A, and the sum is equal to 180 degrees. So we see that 6A is equal to 180 degrees. That means A is equal to 30 degrees. Now that we know that A is equal to 30, we can see that B, which is equal to 2A, will be equal to 2 times 30, that is 60 degrees. And C, which is equal to 3A, will be equal to 3 times 30, that means 90 degrees. Now what we wanted to find out, we have been able to obtain that after combining the two statements. Therefore, we say that the two statements together are sufficient and answer to the question becomes option C. Thank you so much. If you like my explanation, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and there you will find more than 1000 videos like this only. Thank you so much.